Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a project share that we done over on my channel where me and Mrs. Gigi, twice a week, we play the prompt game. One day on her channel, which is Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we play the prompt game where we pick anywhere, we play like 1 to 2 rounds, and we do something like this. Now, we try to challenge ourselves, but, you know, um, this week we had a special guest. We had Miss Jen from What Jen Ren Scraps here on YouTube, and we had a lot of fun. So, I'm going to read off all the prompts for this, for the 10th of March, and we only played one round, but there was something else that we done that I will let y'all know about what I done, and I will try to link the video down below so y'all can see what the other ladies done. Okay, so on this here we did round number 1. It was crayons or stickers, key or texture, blue or pink, angel or people, yellow or wild card, splatters or painting papers, doily or scraps. Okay, and this is how my page came out. Like I said, I will be linking on all my project share videos. I will link the video that goes with the project. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be blessed, be positive, be crafty. I just lost my train of thought. Let me repeat that. Please be kind, be safe, be blessed, be crafty, be positive, be kind, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. And if you haven't done so yet, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Oops, I forgot something. Here's the second part of the video. We did something grungy. I did a tag, and I did a little pocket to put my tag in. I'm sorry about that, guys. So, that is that. Prompt game and grungy tag. So, I'm going to say bye-bye for now.